Hi, I'm Dakshita from IT branch, MVSR, second year.
ఎంబీఎస్ఆర్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ కాలేజ్లో ద సిఆర్టీ ప్రోగ్రామ్ అనేది కూడా ప్లేస్మెంట్స్ తెచ్చుకోవడానికి ఎలా హెల్ప్ఫుల్ అవుతుంది?
So, CRT we had in our second year, first sem. It was very helpful for us. It had taught us many technical skills and also how to crack interviews and all. The faculty for CRT was also nice. They had been supportive and very friendly to us. It was very helpful for our future placements.
అండ్ సిఆర్టీ సెషన్స్లో యాప్టిట్యూడ్ కోడింగ్, కమ్యూనికేషన్ అండ్ సాఫ్ట్ స్కిల్స్. సో ఇందులో నీకు ఏది బాగా నచ్చింది?
Soft skills was my favorite sector as it was very enjoyable and interactive. We had public speaking and moreover interview skills.
So what exactly the difference before training the CRT and after taking the CRT?
Before training for CRT, I was not really aware of what an interview would be like or what technical skills I would be needing. And after taking CRT, it was very clear on what my interview skills are and at what level I am at when it comes to interview skills and what are the technical skills a proper company would be asking from an IT student. It was that which made the difference.
What is the important lesson have you learned from the CRT sessions?
The interview skills which were very effective for me. The thing is, confidence is everything when it comes to interviews. When you are confident about your skills, it is very easy for you to crack an interview. Even though if it is not much about skills, it's more about confidence.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how you are managing your academics and the CRT?
CRT was basically for us on the Saturdays. All the other days had theory classes and labs, whereas CRT was on Saturdays and we also had other classes on Saturdays. But CRT was the main thing we attended college for on Saturdays basically.
Which skill have you improved the most of CRT sessions?
Yeah, technical skills and the soft skills. Technical skills, we were taught about many new technologies and what is the history of the technologies and all. For example, I would say MongoDB. Even though it was very unknown to us, the faculty made sure we knew everything about the MongoDB and other technologies.
And describe in one sentence why the CRT program should take as serious.
If you want better placements, you have to attend CRT.